Well, you're dreadful when it rains, and if I knew the way it made you feel, I'd stop it altogether, dear. Well, I'm all for nostalgia, but you've got to move on. I was hoping maybe I could help with that. Well, you aren't halfway bad when you're asking me if I'm alright. But it's not like I'm asking you to be my wife. Well, it's not the rain that you hate, but the memories you made in this town you wanna leave. Well, then where else would you be? And if you had the chance, would you leave me in a glance, without thoughts of regret or love for me? I feel trapped in your own body, and perhaps I feel the same. I wanna know how you've dealt with it so long. Well, maybe it's not you, but it's the place that you call home. You settled down, but you never wanted to be. Well, you aren't halfway bad when you're asking me if I'm alright. But it's not like I'm asking you to be my wife. Well, it's not the rain that you hate, or the memories you made in this town you wanna leave. But then where else would you be? And if you had the chance, would you leave me in a glance, without